I'm working in the MOAC Project 2007 textbook. I'm on page 169 and I'm going to link tasks from two different project plans. I already have the three files open that I created earlier in the chapter. That is the Consolidated Project 9, AdventureWorks Promo 9, Dawn Funk Music 9. Now what I'm being asked to do in this particular exercise is to create a link so that when I am finished using the studio editing equipment, or the video editing equipment in the AdventureWorks Promo 9, I can use it then in the Dawn Funk Music Video 9. So I have to create a predecessor task. Now first I'm going to look again to see which files I have open. I'm going to check the names. AdventureWorks Promo 9 matches the name that's in the book. So if I follow the instructions in the book and type key in that name, I should be able to call this file. You want to make sure that your names match. If they don't match, following the directions in the book is not going to work. So now I'm going to switch to Dawn Funk Music Video, and I want to go to task 69, so I'll press F5 to bring up the Go To box, type in 69, hit enter, and I'm going to open up the task information dialog box and make sure that the predecessors tab is selected. I'm going to create a new predecessor, or an additional predecessor for this task. I'm going to put it right below the existing task, and so I'm going to type in here the name of the file. It's AdventureWorks, spell that right, Promo 9, and it is task 9. And I'll just press my tab key and I'm getting the external task that's showing up. I'll click OK. We'll hope it works. I'm getting that the verify file name and path are correct. Now when something like this happens, what I need to make sure is that the name is correct and that this particular file is in the same folder as my Dawn Funk music video. So I'm going to open that up, and I'm seeing there's the AdventureWorks Promo 9 and there is the Dawn Funk music video 9. But what I'm also seeing here is that the AdventureWorks Promo 9 has the file extension of a .mpp. So before I call tech support on this, I'm going to try keying in the full title, the full file name. So I'll just copy this out of here and close that. And I'll just give this one more try. And so I'm going to come in here and I'll paste in, and then I'll try the 9 this way. Got it. Now normally this will not happen, but it can. In this situation, I knew something like this was going to happen because I moved my file around several times. I took the AdventureWorks Promo 9 file and I moved it out of the folder, then I moved it back in the folder, and then I moved it out and I moved it back in, and I tried this several times. So the application was already expecting basically that it couldn't find this file. So when I called it by name, I had to call it by its full name, and I had to add the file extension at the end of it. But if you don't mess around with these files a lot, you should be able to call it by using just the name without the file extension. That's the end of this segment.